Hi there, welcome back. We have finished tracing the body of the back part of our sundress. Now we are going to copy every alphabetical detail from the pattern onto our enlarged pattern. Notice that every piece has its own little unique details that you have to pay attention to. That is why I'm taking time to make it as slow as possible. Now here on our pattern, to get the facing, the way the facing is, we go to the armpit end. What is given here is 3 centimeters. We measure 3 centimeters from the armpit. We mark it 3 centimeters. We go to the neckline. From the pattern is 4 centimeters. We quickly mark 4 centimeters. And we draw the facing from the 4 centimeters from the neckline. Draw it down up to the armpit. So that is where we are going to, how we are going to cut the facing for the back, as illustrated on the pattern. So that is how the facing for the back piece is going to be. We're done with the facing. Now, from the waist upwards, it's written here 8 centimeters. We measure 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. We mark it. Go on the other part of the pattern, mark the 8 centimeters also. We mark it. We draw a line from there to meet this one, according to how it is illustrated in our pattern. Exactly how it is illustrated, we draw the line. Okay, that is the lower part of the bust. Now the dart goes up to the point where we put the pin. So what we have to do quickly, we only have a point marked there. Remove the pattern, move it a little carefully. Don't tear your pattern paper. Move it carefully. Yes, there is the dot that we used to start. That is where our dart is going to start from the back. So we quickly draw that. Draw that quickly. There. See, the dart for the back is ready. That is the back dart. You notice the line here is disjointed, it's not joint at the waist. The line here is straight. That means the cutting is going to be here, not at the waist. So this is where the joining is going to be when you're doing your joining and your sewing, not at the waist. Good. So now we've done that. Let's copy all the alphabets. This is facing ST. This is the back piece, BD, back piece again, BD. We have our E here again. We have C here. We have C here. We have our H here and our H here. We have HM here. So back here. Now the zip is about 60 centimeters. So let us mark where the zip is going to be. This is 43. Another 17 to make it almost there. So that is where we are going to have our zip. That's how long the zip is going to be. So we are going to mark it to know that it is where the zip should be. This is how long the zip is going to be. So, ladies and gentlemen, our back piece is ready. So, this, almost forgot this, because there's going to be a cut here. It's a straight line, so it's going to be a cut straight here to join that piece here. So we are done with our back piece. So what is remaining now, we shall do in the next posting, is the overlay for the front, the back, and of course our hand. As you can see, there's an overlay of transparent, rather transparent looking clothing on top of it. That's what we are going to cut next, and of course our arm. We'll be done with our pattern and start cutting our cloth. So thank you so much for being patient, and I hope that you've learned something so far. We're almost done with this, so be with me so that in our next posting we'll do the final cutting of all our pattern pieces. Thank you so much. Remain blessed.